I think we should pick Alex to be our first victim. Let's say hello. Alex, you're my first victim for today. Is this your daughter? That's amazing. I'm here with Alex from Kiwi TCMS. How was your workshop yesterday?
Well, workshop was good. We were a little bit late in the beginning, but then we had about 25-30 people in the workshop. Everybody was coding, everybody was busy with their tasks, so that's good.
How's your coding going?
Good.
Guys, can I interrupt you? What talks have you enjoyed today?
The first one and the second one.
What was your favorite part about it?
The translation of Stack Overflow in Bulgarian.
Oh, okay. How's your day going?
Yeah, pretty well. Conference is very interesting. Yeah.
Have you had a favorite talk so far, or anything that you've learned that sticks in your mind?
With hacking, with 101 hacking about the commutation, and yeah, it was quite good since he mentioned a lot of mistakes that we are doing every day. So yeah.
How's your day been today?
Very good, I think. The keynote lecture was very good, yeah.
Is it your first time to HackConf?
No, actually, it's my second time here.
Awesome.
And for the first time here.
How has your day been so far?
Well, great.
What talk have you enjoyed so far?
It was from Bojidar
Yeah.
Batsov.
It was amazing speaker. Yeah.
We met at breakfast. I was wearing an open source GitHub hoodie. Tell us about what you did at the event yesterday, about your workshop.
I had a workshop about working remote and for IT people and digital nomads that want to relocate or start a new business venture. We are currently looking for fresh faces and new developers. So anyone who wants to start this venture in the freelance world or as a contractor or for long-term, short-term, you can find us.
That sounds great. How has your day been?
Good.
Great.
Yeah, perfect.
What was your favorite talk so far?
I love the first talk. It's so entertaining and all the pictures, and you know, you have lots of laugh when it's not just a talk. Yeah, when you have more interaction with people, it's the best talk. Yeah.
I remember the memes.
Okay.
Yes, and all the screenshots. I believe that was the best one.
What other talks this weekend are you looking forward to?
I'm searching something for soft skills, not so in technical part of the conference.
How has your day been so far?
Fantastic. Everything is great. I really liked the two lectures. The first one, it was fantastic, really amazing. I really enjoyed it. My first HackConf was back in 2016, and so far all the conferences are really great.
How has your day been so far?
It is great. I'm really fascinated by the organization here. I met a lot of my colleagues from university, and I can say that I enjoyed a lot.
How's your day going?
Day's going fantastic.
Have you had any favorite talks so far, or any favorite topics?
Yeah, the opening talk was really nice.
And is it your first time to the HackConf?
No, I was here last year as well.
Look at his t-shirt!
Yeah, it's Gopher.
Gopher, Golang! How has your day been so far?
That's great.
It's perfect. It's Goofy. I don't know.
It's Gofi. Is this your first time to HackConf?
No, it's actually my fourth.
Fourth?
Yeah.
Nice.
For me, it's the first time.
First?
It's the third.
Okay, we've got a whole collection. Great. How has your weekend been?
Awesome. Legendary.
Look at that. Awesome.
Great so far.
Great so far.
Yeah.
Great. Is it your first time to HackConf?
And it's great, and there will be a second time.
Nice. So how has your weekend been?
Great. I really love it, yes.
Awesome. Yeah, it's great. It's good? Yeah.
Yeah, lovely.
Is this your first time to the conference?
No, this was the first time.
2015, so it's like 4 years ago.
First one, yeah.
So, what talks do you have coming up that you also are interested in watching?
For me personally, it's the solid principle one, because I usually try to stick to the solid principle, and I also think that not everyone understands it completely, so I think that's going to be very helpful for many people.
How has your day been today?
Awesome. It's awesome.
What talks are coming up that you are really looking forward to?
There will be some tips and tricks for different programming languages. This talk would be, I think, really interesting, and also there will be some deep learning and machine learning, so those are.
Is it your first time to HackConf?
Yes.
Yes, first time.
And will you come back?
Of course.
Will you come back?
2020.
2020, we'll be there. So what brings you to HackConf?
Hey, well, I've been to HackConf actually for the past 4 years, I think.
Wow.
So yeah, I'm one of the people that come here often. This time I'm actually coming here with VMware. What brings me here is actually what you see around. People getting together to discuss topics that are similar to them. Actually, I love that spirit.
Playtech, tell us why you're here at the event. Is it your first time at the event, and how your weekend's been?
Weekend's been great so far. Not our first time, it's our second time this year. We're already kind of into all the jazz, you know. It's been great. We've met so many great people that are really eager actually to hear about us, to get to know what we're doing, to speak to us, even, you know, like express their personal interests around technology. So it's been amazing.
We're at HackConf, and you're from Noble Hire. And what do you do?
We're a tech job board, so we make it easier for developers to find a job, pretty much.
Are you here to get awareness, or are you here to also hire people for your project, or to fill some roles, or just all of the above?
All of the above, yeah. I mean, this is one of the best developer conferences in Sofia, and it's kind of like self-explanatory that we're here.
Uber, that small company, like that little company, like 2 or 3 people, right? It's a very small company. So what brings you to HackConf? Bulgaria.
We have an engineering team here in Sofia, in Bulgaria, and we want to meet the local community. We try to participate in every event that we can in order to interact with the people, spread our message, and meet the amazing people who are here today at HackConf.
TechnoFi, what is it? Who wants to answer?
So we are a technology company, mainly IT, but we offer end-to-end solutions. So that includes design, front-end, back-end, and all that good stuff.
How's your weekend going?
Great, actually. I'm meeting a lot of people here, and it's nice to see the community.
So can you tell me a bit what EPAM do?
Yeah, so as you know, EPAM is a worldwide company, and we have offices in 4 continents and 28 countries for now.
So you've got the augmented reality?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh my god, you can interact with it?
Yep.
No way! Do you want to tell us a bit about Tide?
Sure, yeah, we're basically a fintech startup, an up-and-coming company. We were founded in London in the UK, so that's where the headquarters is, although we are now growing the Sofia office. We are a little over 100 people. We've got developers servicing, we have compliance. Basically the whole team is very young, motivated people.
What is G Adventures?
We specialize in small group travel, so basically adventure tours, and we do everything from tour operations to, you know, obviously we have a huge tech team that supports that through our websites and mobile app, and all of our in-house systems as well.
What do you do? What does the company do?
Well, HedgeSurf is a hedge fund administrator company, but what we do here in Bulgaria is to develop the software platform that is used by the business people in the company to do this administration process. We're a partner of Hack, so we attend the event every year. It's a great pleasure to be here overall.
The Terra is a telecom company for around 24 years now.
And so what brings you to HackConf?
We've decided to come here just to raise some brand awareness, to look for some talents, and to look for some people who might be interested in our company.
TIC42, did I pronounce that correctly? Awesome. And what does TIC42 do?
We have our own product, which is called Go42. One of our main clients is JP Morgan.
What does UltraPlay do?
We are a software company working with, we are making online platforms for betting sites, websites.
What brings you to HackConf?
All the people.
What does Smule do?
We do mobile apps which are related to music. We have several apps, and the main one is a music app which is allowing you to sing like in a karaoke app. But the most liked feature is that you can sing together with another person who is somewhere else around the world, and you can sing live with this other person. You can see it actually over here. So basically the idea is that there is a huge community of this app, more than 40-50 million active users monthly. Active users, real people who are singing in this app. They are singing around 20 million songs a day.
And what does Asidia do?
Well, we are an outsourcing company. We service, so basically outsourcing, consulting, end-to-end solutions, basically whatever we find. We don't have our own product.
And what brings you to HackConf?
We want to hire more people because we've grown really fast and we have many new projects. And also we need some brand awareness.
Our company is called 2K. It's a Swiss company. We do R&D. And basically we are new office here in Bulgaria. We are cool young people and it's very, very fun to work with us.